Here we come to the elevators at McFarlin Auditorium at Southern Methodist University in Dallas, Texas. These are tastefully modernized vintage Otis from 1961. Older Series 2 fixtures. B. This one's got the padding. It's definitely on the original controller. This is kind of slow for a traction. Well, it's the same speed as the Owen Fine Arts elevator. This is definitely on the original controller, top driven. We're gonna end the video on the basement and get the other elevator car. I thought I didn't press the button hard enough, but B doesn't light up. Let's see if the other elevator car works. That is definitely original. I hear it coming. Here it is. This one's got padding as well. I don't hear a fan in this thing, so we might be able to hear the motor. Oh no, never mind. The fan is on. Okay, we're going up. Okay, well that was funny. All right, let's go up to 3 and hear the motor starting up. This gotta have black button. This gotta have to have black button at one point. Beautiful. Oh, would you look in the mirror? Who do you see? Hi. And look at this, y'all. What do you think of my big Otis elevator gear that I'm wearing? Yep, I'm definitely wearing my own Otis shirt. Oh, I meant to go to 1. Have to mash down the button or get it to work. That's where the original floor indicator used to be. Door closes slow. Love the motor. There it goes. And that's it.